Giving and following instructions. The gingerbread man. Ofreciendo y siguiendo instrucciones. El hombre de jengibre.
Good morning to everyone. I hope you are alright at home, and let's start with our lesson, today's lesson, right? Let's start with it. This present lesson is about instructions, following instructions. That's your turn to follow instructions. Let's start and come with me. Today's class, we continue with the topic, the gingerbread man. Alright, a story about the gingerbread man. And today's class is about instructions, how to make a puppet, right? Let's start the way we can follow the instructions.
English. The gingerbread man. Instructions how to make puppets. Print and cut the images or draw similar pictures. Imprime y corta las imágenes o bien dibújalas. Paint the crocodile green. Pinta el cocodrilo de verde. Paint the gingerbread man brown. Pinta al hombre de jengibre de marrón. Paint Mrs. Brown's hair white. Pinta el pelo de la señora Brown de blanco. Paint Mrs. Brown's dress. Pinta el vestido de la señora Brown de rojo. Paint the dog black. Pinta el perro de negro. Paint the boy's jeans blue. Pinta los jeans del niño de color azul. Finally, use a stick, a sherbet, or a pencil or a ruler and stick the images with adhesive tape. Y al final podés utilizar un palito, un sorbete, una regla o un lápiz y pegar las imágenes con cinta adhesiva. And there you have your puppet. Y ahí obtienes tu títere. See you in next explanation. Nos vemos en la próxima explicación.